Hold up, you gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending. Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one. And now I get the hype. It's reliable, looks amazing, and works like a charm every single time. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately.
Hold up! You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it, I get it. It feels premium, works perfectly, and just makes life easier. You can tell it's made well. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it.
Hold on, this one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up